Dropshipping, cryptocurrency, e-commerce, Amazon, Shopify, and even stock market day trading. Real estate, can you actually make $100 a day doing these things? Well, I will discuss this today to this video. And if you want to stick on to the end, I'll share you a little mini secret about that as well. Alright guys, so the answer is absolutely you could, right? But there's one freaking problem, guys. One major problem. All these things, it takes money to get going, right? How do you get going when you have no money or no budget? What do you do, right? I want you to think about that, alright? If you're selling something on Amazon, well, guess what? We're going to have to buy these products from somewhere, right? You need money to buy these products. Where are you buying from, right? You're buying from China. You buy from AliExpress. Guess what? It costs money to build a website. The e-commerce website, right? Guess what? It costs money to start that. Hosting, design, getting traffic. What about Shopify? What about the software to maintain that site? Guess what? It costs money. Money to do what? What about driving traffic, like I said, remember, to your website? Guess what? It costs money to do it. Or what about investing in cryptocurrency? Guess what? It costs money to do that as well. Or how about stock market day trading? Guess what? It costs money to do stock market day trading as well. So there are so many things that you could do. Yes, 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 right? You could make money doing these things. The problem is, you're not doing them in the right order. I always tell people, you want to take care of your cash flow needs today. Before you worry about getting rich, you got to get money coming in today. Make that first $50, make that first $100, make that first $200 a day. Get it going. Then once you've got enough income coming in, once you develop the high income skill, now define high income skills. A skill that can make you $10,000 or more per month. Once you do that, then if you want to, you could pursue all these other ventures and you can then tap into what they call, and try and test out some of these vehicles. This is vehicles, but you need to have that skill set so everyone is chasing the next thing, the next big thing, the shiny object syndrome. When what I do is I am using the oldest ways to make money. See, most people, they're looking at it, yet they're stepping over dollars to pick up dimes. What I'm talking about the good old PC or your good old Mac. That's right, the good old computer. Simple, simple tool to make $100 a day. Let me share you my business model with you. My formula with you, the very same formula that I teach all my Facebook group members all around the world. The high ticket affiliate marketing methodology. Here is how it's going to work, guys. Imagine this. There are companies out there nowadays. It costs more than ever to acquire customers, right? So think about this. Most companies, you notice, it's advertising, right? And it costs more money than ever to advertise. It's become more competitive than ever, right? More competitive than ever in this marketplace. So a lot of these companies, when they are selling any type of products, right? Most products are usually under $200 most of the time, right? So those is what I call the initial product, right? The initial product that they are using in the marketplace, right? Companies, entrepreneurs selling these products, right? They're selling these products hopefully to develop a relationship with the customer. to break the wallet and just start the relationship, just to start that conversation, right? All the money is made after the 200 is spent when they realize, hey, you know what? Once my customer trusts our brand, trust our company, now we can follow up with them and offer them other products and services that are at the 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, or even 25,000 or more price range. That's where the money is made, guys. Here's the problem though. Those offers I refer to as high ticket offers. $5,000, $10,000, $25,000, $50,000. You might be thinking, wow, that's crazy. How can I do that? Those are the ones that they need to be closed on by the phone or via the chat, right? So, direct message. Very rarely do people buy something at that kind of price point, looking at a video or just looking at a website, right? You need that personal connection, that, you know, closing sales call or sales script, right? They need to have the one-on-one conversations with us. So what does that have to do with you? That's where you come in, right? Imagine this. Let's say you are the affiliate marketing person, representative, right, for that company. You are the one closing for that company. You are the one closing for that product or service. Let's say the offer is $1,000. And if you're a good affiliate marketer that closes deals at a good rate by using my marketing strategies, right? Organic marketing strategies, then you have a good, closing rate. They are willing to pay you $400, which is 40% of the sale, right? Or 40% commission. That's $400, like I said. So I want you to think about it, right? If you're promoting some of these packages, some of these products and services for $250, right? You make $100 a sale. That's $100 a day. Get where I'm getting at here? All you need to do is what? Just make one sale a day. Can you make one sale a day? That's it. One sale a day, guys. You can get $100 a day by making one sale a day. What is the cost? Zero. Just your time, right? How many websites have you built? Zero. How many products do you have to buy? Zero. Why? Because you're not selling your own product. You're not selling your own offers. You're selling other people's offers. The company, the influencer, the entrepreneur, they are doing all the marketing. They are doing all the lead generation. They're driving all the traffic. They're building a funnel. They're creating content. They're writing a blog. They're creating videos. They're doing a press release. All you have to do is get in front of that traffic, guys. They're doing 90% of the work, but yet they don't make the money until someone like you and me can get on the phone, get on the chats, and close for them on the high ticket sales, guys. This is the one of those very rare skills that you make $100 a day without any expenses, without overhead. Now you may be thinking, well, then are you talking about being annoying telemarketers? Does that mean I have to cold call people? Does that mean I have to do a lot of prospecting? Oh my god, guys. I can't do that. I'm a shy person. I'm not very talkative. It's not about none of that, guys. I'm talking about talking to people who put up their hand and they're like, "Hey, I'm interested in doing this." I'm talking to prospects who have gone through a series of steps through a sales funnel, who have filled the application form and then booked a time to speak with you. And then you use the sales closing sales script to close these people. Guys, you guys are not going to be 100% closers. Really, might be a 10% closer, 20, 30% closer. Phone chats are usually 40 to 55% closing rate. And after that, you just apply my organic marketing and traffic strategies that you learn in my free Facebook group, which you can join. Shameless plug, guys. Joined on the link in the description. Alright, guys? And also just using those strategies to drive your market in. If you guys have not read the .com Secrets or Expert Secrets book, I'll leave the link down below as well. Russell Brunson talks about the blue ocean versus the red ocean, meaning you find your own group of people that view you as the expert, view you as the authority, and they will first hear from you what the heck this affiliate marketing is, and you will be the guru to them, guys. You will be the guru. So stay tuned for more videos, and if you do like this, please give it a thumbs up. Leave comments down below if you knew anything about affiliate marketing or have any questions. I'll be able to answer that for you. And also subscribe, click the notification bell, and I appreciate everything, guys. Share this to other people who you think will all actually enjoy this as well. Peace out, guys. See you in the next video.